Tired of manually sorting products into categories? In this video, I'll show you how to create smart collections in Shopify, the powerful automation feature that organizes your products for you, based on rules you set. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Smart collections are like having a helpful employee who automatically sorts new products into the right sections of your store. Once you set them up, they work tirelessly in the background. Let's automate your organization. First, navigate to Products and then Collections. In your Shopify admin, click Create Collection, and this time, select the Smart Collection type. Give it a clear name, like Under $50 or Winter Coats. Now, here's the core of a smart collection, the conditions. This is where you define the rules. You can choose from a wide range of product attributes like product title, vendor, price, tag, or inventory stock. Let's build one together. For a sale items collection, you'd set a condition where product price is less than compare at price. This automatically includes any product with a sale price. For a new arrivals collection, you could set a condition where product tag is equal to a new. Then, any product you tag with new will instantly appear there. You can make rules even more specific. Click Add another condition to combine rules. For example, you could create a collection for products that are both tagged summer and have a price greater than $30. You can also choose if a product must meet all conditions or any condition to be included. A crucial pro tip: use consistent product tags. Tags are one of the most powerful and flexible ways to fuel your smart collections. A clear tagging system lets you create dynamic collections for seasons, styles, and promotions with ease. And just like that, you've set up an automated organizing system for your store. This will save you countless hours as you add more products. If this automation tip made your life easier, please give it a like. What's the first smart collection rule you're going to create? Share your clever ideas in the comments. To master the art of tagging, subscribe for our next video on how to manage product tags in Shopify. Thanks for watching.